Overture, curtain lights. This is it, the night of nights. No more rehearsing and nursing my parts. I know every part by heart.
Why can't you just get ready for work like a normal person?
Overture, curtain lights. This is it, the night of heights. And oh, what heights I'll hit. On with the show, this is it.
How dare they forget about me, Vlad Draculesti? And his hatred and spite towards Hungary, and his hatred and spite towards János almost cost us our country. And here's how.